Riuruok mar Gavanas sani koro dwaro ni jokanyo mag weche dongruok mondo tigi kauntis achiel kachiel moloyo tiyo gi sirikal mamalo aching'. Kane giwuoyo e boma ma Naivasha, Gavanas goywak ni sirikal mamalo osebedo ka yulo gi chwalo tije mag dongruok ne kauntis.
We must fight for devolution because it is the only way that we will transform our country. And devolution was not born out of an individual's mind. It was born out of the minds of Kenyans who fought and said, yes, this is the way to go. And therefore, let us work, and I will call upon our partners here. National government will tell you many things because they have sovereignty, and they must be the people that must do all the collaterals and what have you. But the implementation of any program, no matter what you call it, be it a fertilizer program, whatever program, can only be implemented in the counties. The counties have structures, and with